This is a well-designed product, but it has some tricky features. Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, let's check it out.
Here's the #1 reason we bought this product. It was for hardwood floors, especially in the kitchen. Guess what? We have 5 rescue cats. What do you think we're going to use this vacuum for? There's no way around it. If you're vacuuming up a lot of cat hair, you're going to spend some time getting the cat hair out of the rollers. After a few times, you'll get the hang of getting the roller assembly out. It's not that tough. Black & Decker makes it pretty easy to actually disassemble the rollers, including the end bearings. And I found that helpful to try to do a good job of getting all the fuzz and cat hair out of the rollers. There's a tricky extension hidden in the handle. You simply click a release button and pull it out. Oh yeah, we sometimes need to remove the dirt. I was impressed with how many parts keep on coming apart. It makes it easy for cleaning. There's both an inner filter and an outside filter, and you could take them both out and rinse them in warm water to clean. Yet another section comes apart, and this took a minute to get the hang of, but not too tough. This is one feature I just frankly did not like. It just seems to stand there really wobbly. Of course you can easily clean stairs. Simply remove the canister and then attach perhaps a brush or a crevice tool.
So overall, I thought this was a very good product. It worked very well on both low carpet as well as hardwood floors. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.